Welcome everyone again. There's another Häuslein video, and we have our new, well not so new, Gunyah model. Been a bit late with the video, but here you are. I'm only glad to show you around, so come and I'll do that. So as you can see here, we've got one of our trailer decks set up. This house is set up as a Airbnb, fully functional, ready to go. And we can build and supply you the deck with a veranda. And as you can see here, we have our keyless entry, which we option in, which is good for Airbnbs. So walking into the house, it's got our trademark design features, timbers and materials and stuff. And one of the things you'll see is there's got a nice space here. One of the things I like to incorporate into any build, any design, any build, is to have just a bit of space, you know, where you can actually do a twirl or whatever you want. And here you've got the sofa, but it's also good for a queen bed. So between here and the wall, you can fit a queen bed. If we build a bed for you, we'll put two big drawers underneath, so you can put your luggage straight in there and tuck it out of the road. So as a result, this blind is actually electric. That means if you do have a bed, you don't have to climb on the bed and reach over it to get to it. So right now we've got TV and a sound bar set up there, so that's nice. And then the kitchenette is nice and functional. You've got a electric two burner. On this one we've actually gone electric, so the water is also electric, and we have an electric burner. So because solar is getting better and better and more affordable, it's good to sort of head this direction and get away from LPG. So you've got a reverse cycle AC as well, of course. Dishwasher is really good for Airbnb. You've got this lovely breakfast bar with our feature custom made bespoke gas strut window, so you can set yourself down there for your brekkie or tea or dinner and enjoy the outdoors when you do that. And you can also conversate with people who might be sitting outside, so that's good. It kind of opens this space and allows you to share the space and make use of that deck. And yeah, we've got the fixed ladder, so it's nice and sturdy, and as usual it's perpendicular to the upstairs, so you know you can have your 3 points of contact, so it's easier than what you might think, you know, to get up, and then you can reverse up and make your way up to bed. And it's a lovely spot with the pitched roof, and you've got a Velux window which you can open up to let some ventilation in. And as per standard in our lofts, we have a premium wool carpet, and that's really squishy and beautiful premium product there to be loved for years to come. While I'm up here, you can see there the timber is a whitewashed Baltic pine, tongue and groove. So again, just a real material, no fakery, no MDF panel that looks like this. It's the real stuff, and you know, come 50, 70, 80, 100 years from now, maybe even 200 years, these houses will continue to be restored and loved because it has all these nice, proper, solid materials. So we hope you enjoy them as much as we do, but you know, the idea is that they will be cherished for time to come and get better with age. So here you've got our custom made barn door for the bathroom, and a nice, generously sized bathroom with nice big shower and our custom made Cypress sink, and that's got a 2-pack lacquer on it to keep it sealed from water. And this one has the compost toilet. The compost toilet has a 12-volt fan constantly sucking air through the toilet, so it never ever stinks. So that's a nice thing. That's actually an advantage with a compost toilet, is that it never ever stinks, even when you're using it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks very much for watching this video, and I hope you've enjoyed it. If you want to see more of our media and you want to see what we're doing, please like and subscribe, and you can check out some of our other videos. We have a beautiful website, so feel free to have a browse. And if you ever want to get in contact because you may be interested in purchasing, or you want us to build you a Gunyah and deliver, please feel free. We'd be more than happy to sort you out. So thanks very much.